the Two Dog Saloon is closed and has no food, I am going to go in that store and start knocking things off the shelves. Well, I'm going to say, we're tired of junk food. Where's the restaurant? Why ain't it open?
Open it up now.
Go cook me a burger, and I mean now.
So, I'm so hungry.
I am too. I didn't have breakfast, and you really didn't either. You had a cereal bar.
Yeah, cereal bar.
And it's lunchtime, actually. It's like it's 12:35, almost 12:40.
And we're soaking in the scenery.
Ah,
along with everybody else.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty.
At least we're not in second gear.
Oh, yeah, third. And a steady pace in third gear, not like down to second, then the first, then the second, then the third, then the second, then the first, then the second, then the first. Sound like a broken record. Oh, pretty. Ah. Oh, yeah.
Falling rocks.
Next 3 miles, Falling Rock. Pretty flowers.
I'm allergic to those.
You are?
They're not so pretty to me, yeah.
What is it?
Goldenrod.
You're allergic to goldenrod?
Yeah.
Well, if I ever buy you flowers on Valentine's Day, then I'll know not to get goldenrod.
Don't get those. I don't think they sell them because there's a lot of people allergic to them.
Oh. Oh, pretty. Oh, that just looks gorgeous. There's Goose Island. Or is it called Goose Island?
I don't remember.
We stopped there yesterday, or the other day.
Goose Island. Yeah, I think it was Goose Island.
I'm missing a word in there. Goose Bird Island? No.
Goose butt?
Goose. We'll find out shortly.
Gooseberry.
Gooseberry Island. Yeah, I like that.
Gooseberries. Schnozberries. Raspberries. Hey. $25.
Wild Goose Island. Okay.
Yeah.
Wild Goose Island.
Wild.
Even though I like Gooseberry Island better.
It could be Wild Turkey Island, I guess.
Yeah. There's a lot of people stopped here. More than where it was the other day.
Oh, is it still 25?
I don't know why. Is there another pull-off up
Maybe
there?
there's another pull-off up here or something. Yeah, there's another pull-off. And it's on a corner.
Mm-hmm. People pulling back on the road. Rising sun.
Oh, we're here.
Turn left. There.
I was going to make the loop.
Oh.
Scope out the parking.
Okay. There's some front parking there.
Why not?
Oh, let's back in. It's kind of... Yep, I'm good. I'm good. Alrighty. Two Dog Flats restaurant. I hope it's open.
Me too.